Hi, friends! Welcome to Toon Hugs, the happiest place for fun, learning, and lots of laughter. Let's jump into today's adventure.
In a lively school, two boys named Vikram and Arjun studied together in class 6B. They were best friends but very different in their habits. Vikram was hardworking, he always did his homework on time, practiced sports, and managed his routine with discipline. Arjun, on the other hand, loved to chill. He often skipped homework, spent evenings playing video games, and would say with a smirk, यार लाइफ का मजा लेने के लिए है, इतनी मेहनत करके क्या करना? One morning, their sports teacher Mr. Kapoor entered the class with exciting news. He announced that the annual school marathon was coming next month and each section would send 2 runners. For class 6B, the chosen ones were Vikram and Arjun. The class clapped loudly. Vikram was thrilled and promised to give his best. Arjun whispered to his friends, overconfident as always, हाँ, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? रेस तो easy है. मैं बिना practice के भी जीत जाऊंगा. From the very next day, Vikram began his training. He woke up early, wore his running shoes and practiced daily in the park. He ran laps, did stretches and ate healthy food to build stamina. Meanwhile, Arjun continued his late-night gaming sessions, ignoring practice completely. Vikram tried to warn him, Arjun practice कर, रेस लंबी है. अगर बिना तैयारी के भागेगा तो थक जाएगा. But Arjun only laughed saying, अरे विक्रम मैं तो natural runner हूँ. तू देखना रेस के दिन मैं सबसे आगे होऊंगा. Deep inside, Arjun felt a little nervous, but laziness always won. Finally, the big marathon day arrived. The school ground was beautifully decorated with balloons and banners. Parents, teachers and students gathered to cheer for the runners. As soon as the whistle blew, Arjun shot forward like lightning, leaving everyone behind. The crowd cheered, "Wow, देखो अर्जुन सबसे आगे है." Arjun looked back proudly and shouted, "देखा, practice की क्या जरूरत थी?" But within minutes his breath grew heavy, his legs started aching and his speed dropped. Panting, he mumbled, "Oh no, इतना लंबा track, मैं तो थक गया." Meanwhile, Vikram ran at a steady pace. His practice showed, his breathing was calm, his steps were strong, and his focus was clear. Slowly he overtook Arjun and encouraged him, "Chal Arjun, himmat mat haar." But Arjun, too exhausted, sat down by the track while Vikram carried on. After 30 minutes, the final whistle blew. Vikram crossed the finish line first with a bright smile. The crowd clapped with pride and Mr. Kapoor praised him warmly. "Excellent, Vikram. Your hard work has paid off." Arjun, still sitting by the side, watched with tears in his eyes and whispered, "काश मैं भी practice करता, मैं भी जीत सकता था." After the race, Mr. Kapoor called both boys together. He placed a hand on their shoulders and explained gently, "Arjun, do you know why you couldn't finish? Because you relied only on talent, not on preparation. And Vikram, you showed us that real winners are made by daily effort. Life itself is a marathon, children. Success doesn't come by rushing one day, it comes by steady effort every single day." Arjun understood his mistake. He turned to Vikram and said, "Vikram, from today, मैं भी practice करूँगा. सिर्फ रेस की नहीं, एग्जाम्स की भी. तू मेरा दोस्त है, मुझे सिखाएगा?" Vikram smiled and replied, "Of course, Arjun. दोस्त हमेशा एक दूसरे को ऊपर ले जाते हैं." From the very next morning, things began to change. Arjun joined Vikram for early runs in the park. At first, it was hard, his body ached, and his mind wanted shortcuts, but Vikram kept encouraging him. Slowly, Arjun built discipline not only in running, but also in studying. Months later, during the final exams, a big surprise awaited everyone. Vikram, as usual, scored high, but Arjun too did well, far better than expected. Their class teacher, Mrs. Mehta, smiled proudly and said, "See children, when we put in effort, even mountains can be moved." And so Vikram and Arjun learned a lesson they would carry for life. Life is not a short sprint, it is a long marathon. Only those who prepare daily, steadily and sincerely can win. The moral of the story is simple yet powerful. Consistency beats shortcuts. Hard work today builds victory tomorrow.